Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Google password if you forgot it. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and click on profile picture on the top left and click on manage your Google account. Here you need to scroll and click on security. Then you simply need to scroll down and click on your saved password and click on password manager. Here you need to scroll and here is my Gmail. Click on that option and click on continue. And here you need to enter your screen lock. Okay, so here you can see that I can easily see my password here by clicking on this I, and if I want I can copy from here. So this is a process by which you can see your Google password if you forgot it. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.